All right, let's take a look at the 2019 Year 9 geometry and measurement paper. Let's see how we go. So first thing we've got to do, it says draw the following angles. So we're going to construct some angles here. This one's 70 degrees. So we want a 70-degree angle. Let's see how that will play out. So 70 degrees, I'm going to make this a bit longer, this baseline. I want a longer baseline, so I've got a bit more to play with here. So okay, here we go. And the same deal with this one as well. Yeah. Make this a bit longer, yeah. So this is have to be. All right, so let's have a look. So 70 degrees, so it could be from either side, really. I'm going to do it from the side here, so it's doesn't really matter too much. So here we go. Let's make this 70 degrees. I'm going to get this right along this line here. And we know it's right along the line because that 0 is like cut in half and the 8's cut in half. Yeah, there it is. Look at that. Perfect. And this is right on the corner there. So 70 degrees, it's going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Do not do it the other way around, yeah? So you want to count it from 70. So, and you could do it from the other way around if you wanted, but you'd have to be on the other side over here, you see. So let's do that. It's sort of fun. Yeah, let's put it over here. And we'll go 70, let's see. So it's right in the middle there. That looks pretty good. There it is. So 70. So 70 is going to be here. I like that actually. It's pretty good there. That's pretty good. So there's my 70. I think actually they want us to do it the other way around. Otherwise, this is already going to get in the way, isn't it? So there would be our 70 degrees if we're doing it that way, that side, on that side, yeah. So there it is. There's our 70 and 70 degrees there. Or of course, you could do it the other way around and have it on this side. And let's do that, yeah. Let's just have 70 degrees. You only have to do one of them, of course, but I'm going to do both just so we've done it. So let's make that exactly there. That's very good. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, which is the same as 110. Look at that. There it is. There it is. Perfect. This here, this side here is 70. Remember, you only have to do one of them. I've done them both just because I feel like doing both of them. Here we go. There they are. So here we go. Here is my 70 degrees here. And again, make sure you get the arrow the correct way around. It's going anti-clockwise in each case. All right. Next one's construct 200 degrees. Well, really what we're going to do is we're going to find 20 degrees because we know a straight line is 80. So I'm actually going to do 20. So I'm actually going to have a little bit less line here. I think that's the best one to do it. So I'm actually going to take this line and conduct just 20 degrees. Here we go. Watch this. Here we go. I'm going to make this 20. The ring light's got an awful glare on if you get it in the wrong position. There it is, about 20 degrees there. So 20 is going to be, I'm going to go 20 on this side here. 10, 20, which is 160. There. Now the reason I've done that is we've got this is the way to think about it. There it is. So we know that the angle here, this angle here, that's what I've just done. I made that 20. But of course, the whole thing from there round to there, yeah, is going to be 180 plus that 20 is 200 degrees. And you could do it on the other side. It doesn't really matter. But that's what I've done, yeah? So just be aware of that. It's probably quite a useful skill to be able to have. It says use a protractor to measure the size of the angles marked below. Gosh, there's a few of them to do, aren't they? They're really laying into this stuff with measuring angles. Okay, so Q, let's have a look at Q. So we've got, again, we're making sure this is right on that corner there, right along that line, right in there. And that's right going through that 0 and that 8 there. This angle here, it looks like it's going to be about, it's a very thick line, but I'm going to go with 10. It's nearly 20. It's not quite 20. In fact, I would say this is 19 degrees, yeah? That's 19 degrees. This one over here, well, we don't know what that one is. We don't really care. But this one we do care. Or this one we care as well. Let's do P first. Here we go. I'm going to flip this around and we'll measure P. So let's have a go at doing that now. we go. So this is, again, got awful nasty glare with the ring light I'm using there. So this is going to be sort of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Looks like 80. 1, 2, 3. I saw that's 83, this angle here. 83 degrees. 83 degrees. There it is. And this one here, so what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to measure this side and then subtract it from 360, yeah? So let's measure this side here, then subtract from 360. So, and you can do it any way you like. You could do it like this way round. Again, that glare is too much, really, for me. Got to get it out of the way of the ring part of the ring light. I'll put it right in the middle. That's probably the best way. Here we go. We've got, there it is. Look at that. That's pretty good. I think that's 120. 120 around there. That's pretty good. So this is 120 on this side, which means this one here has to be 240. So I'm going to say this is 240. In other words, it's 360 minus 120. We've taken this bit here off. Yeah. Here's my 120. We've taken it from 360 because angles around a point, of course, are going to be go ahead and equal 360. So QPS. So QPS, I've got 83 degrees. PQR, I've got 19 degrees. And QRS is this one here, which is 240 degrees. It says QPS, it says, well, what type of angle is that? So this angle is less than 90, so this is going to be an acute angle. Just remember the angle types: acute, reflex, and obtuse are the main ones you're going to get. Straight line and right angle are the other two. Now we're going to fill in the blanks here. Complementary angles, of course, add to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles add to 180. So the supplement of 30 is going to be 180 minus 30, which is equal to 150 degrees. And that's how we work that out.